Chiropractic. It's Michael.
Hi Michael, I was wondering if I can make an appointment for today for just a, chiropractic adjustment.
Sure. Have you been here before?
I have not, and it's my first time as well.
Okay, that's fine.
I make YouTube videos, so I would want to essentially vlog this and make a video about this experience.
Sure.
Is that something that's okay with you guys?
Yeah, that's no problem with us. Yeah, that's fine.
I'm here at Surry Hills and we're going to Sydney City Chiropractic.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with just loosen up these muscles first in here, and then once we finish with that, then I'll get into the adjusting. Okay?
Right.
Okay. Now, breathe in for me, and breathing out. All the way out. Relax your shoulders. Very good. One more. Breathing in and breathing out. Perfect. Okay. Turn onto your side, facing me this way.
Facing this way?
Yes. Bending this leg. Right leg straight. Hands like this. That's the way. So far, so good. Good. Okay. Nice and relaxed there. That's good. Wonderful. Turn the other way. Nice and relaxed there again. Perfect. Laying on your back.
That's amazing! Oh my God.
On your back.
On my back, yep.
Going to do a few tests before we do anything there. Just hold your head so it doesn't drop back. Okay. Now just let your head drop. I want you to look up to the corner of the room there. Good. Do you feel sick or dizzy?
No.
Good. No nausea?
No.
That's the way. Good. Excellent. Now, head the other way, looking at the corner up there. Keep your eyes open for me.
Yeah.
Feel sick or dizzy at all?
No.
Good.
Just this a bit. There you go.
That's it. Good stuff. Alright.
Cool.
That's just a safety test, just to make sure there's no issues with the arteries going to your brain.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, now just turn your head this way for me. Bending sideways, so that's good. Nice and relaxed there. Perfect. Same again, just let your head drop there for me. One more. That's it. Perfect. Good. Ooh. Easy. Sitting up. Facing that way. Now, so sitting up straight, looking straight ahead. Now, turn your head to the right and to the left. Not too bad?
Better.
Feels a bit better? Good. Excellent. All done. Easy.
Wow. That was good.
Good. All right. I'll let you get dressed. And we're done. And look, it'd be good to have a follow-up at the end of the week. All right. See how it all responds.
Thank you, Michael.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Good to see you. Good to meet you.
Yep.
All right. I hope to see you again soon.
Yeah, thank you. All right. Thanks, Michael. See you later. Bye. So I just finished up and it was amazing. Oh my God, hearing my neck crack was awesome. That felt so good. Special thanks to Michael. He's such an amazing doctor. I know he's been in practice for so many years now. If you live in Sydney, come to Surry Hills and check him out. It's definitely worth it. All right, see you in the next video.